Okay, I think I am online. Oh, Nilambat Sahu, so nice to see you on the board, sir. You are now online. Nilambat Sahu, very good evening. Wish you very happy Dasara. Okay, so it's a very happiest moment for me. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So we will straightway go ahead. Anusha, hello. So we'll straightway go ahead with the question. Okay, this is the very first question. As we discussed that we will discuss 10 questions. Let's begin with this, and all the questions are very important question. Let's begin here, and it says that a vessel has a milk solution in which the milk and water are in the ratio of 5:4. Milk and water, Nilambat Sahu, is in the ratio of 5:3. If 20 liter of milk and 4 liter of water is added to the mixture, 20 liters of milk and 4 liters of water is added to the mixture, then the ratio is become 3:1. So now 20% of the mixture is sold. 20% of the mixture is sold. So what is the quantity of milk left in the vessel? Now your time starts now. Come on, answer the question. Who is going to be first? Who is going to be first? Will it be Aman? Will it be Aman? So all the people who have joined, wish you very happy Dasara to them. Come on my upcoming officers. 2023 में आप बनोगे officer. Now for you only 17 minutes, 16 minutes, 15 second, 13 second, 12 second, 11 second, 10 seconds. Anyone answer it? 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, not to worry, I will answer the question here. The easiest way to answer the question, and if you allow me, I just have to take one tool, and that will help me to change the color and 1 minute. Okay, now we are ready here. And anyone answer the question? Now, how is it happen? No one answer the question. How is it happen? Very good evening to all, but I'm sure the Anvesh will be able to answer the question. Let once again go. Option B. Let's check that the option B is correct or not. That's correct. That's correct. Well done. Well done. Option B. Option B. Nilambat Sahu and Aman. So what I understand over here, the first ratio is 5:3 and the second ratio is 3:1 after these changes. So what I do with 3, I will multiply this 3 into 3, that is 9, and this is the best way to answer the question, and 3 into 4, that's a 12. And on the other side, what I will do with 1, if I multiply 1, 5, it will remain as 5. With 1, when I multiply this 20, it will remain as 20. Now take the difference of this 5 and 9, that is 4, and take the difference of this 20 and 12, that is 8. That means 4 part is equal to 8. When the 4 part is equal to 8, then 1 part is equal to 2. That's over. Now I need find the quantity of the milk left. What is the milk? 5 parts. So 5 parts will be 5 into 2, which is 10, and after that 20 liter is added. So 10 plus 20, we know it is 30, out of which if 20% is sold, then I will be left with 80%. So 30 into 0.8, 8324 liters. That's well done, my friends. So this is the approach. You are anytime free, Anusha, you also did well. Second question is here. Now, what is the question for Nilambat? In a company, Sujit's monthly salary is 75% of Sagar's monthly salary. Okay, we are understanding that the Sujit SJ and Sagar SG, Sujit monthly salary is 75% of Sagar's monthly salary. And the Anup monthly salary is 5/8 of Sagar. The Anup is 5/8 of Sagar SG. And the Sagar pay rupees 14,400 towards his vehicle loan, which is 40% of his monthly salary. So by this statement, I will get the Sagar's monthly salary. If the total expenditure of Sujit and Anup is 30,500, total expenditure of these two, then find their total saving. Beautiful question, my friend. Here your time starts. Here your time starts. Along with you, I will also work to a certain extent. The Sujit monthly salary is 75% of Sagar's monthly salary. That means if the Sagar's monthly salary is 100, the Sujit's monthly salary will be 75. In other words, this ratio is 3:4. So that's what given to us. And what about Anup? Anup monthly salary. So I know the Anup is 5 part and the Sujit is 8 parts. So when the Sujit is 8 parts, this Sujit. Are we talking about Sujit? Yes. Sujit is how many parts? 8 parts. The Sagar. Sagar is 8 parts. Then the Anup is 5 parts. So I know when I combine this one, so make this multiply with the first ratio by 2. You are getting to 8 here and you are getting 6 here. And also you are getting 5 over here. So you had to combine. Anyone answer the question? 1, Nilambad and Aman. Let me check your answer. Option C. Let's check the answer. No, my brother. No. No. So let me continue it. Now we know that 40% of Sagar's salary is 14,400. So can I get the Sagar salary? The Sagar salary is 14,400 divided by 0.4. You will be getting the 100%. So place the 0 over here. And then 4, 2 is 12 and 4, 6 is 24 and 0, 0, 0. So that's how you are getting 26,000 as the salary of this person. Which one we are talking of? Is it 26,000 or 36,000? Okay, 4, 3 is 12. 36,000. So we know that this 8 part is 36,000. Then I have the combined expenditure of Sujit and Anup. So what is the combined salary of Sujit and Anup? That is 6 parts plus 5 parts. That is 11 parts. I already know 36,000, which is 8 parts. I need the 11 parts. So that is 36,000 into 11 part over 8 part. And with 8, 8, 4 is 32, 8, 5 is 40 and 00 and then 5 and 9 and 4 and followed by 2 zeros. So that is what the total salary of Sujit and Anup. And their total expenditure is 30,500. So what is their total saving? So from here if I take out their expenditure, that is 30,500, I notice that their saving is 19,500. Anywhere we have the 19,500? No, 19,000. I'm sorry, 19,000. So we have option D. Option D. Check my friends. It is option D. Yes, that's right, Aman. Let me check that option D. 4 is right. That's right. That's right. You are great. You are great. I really enjoy your presence. Nilambar. Option D, my young friend. Next question. This was question number 2. Now, question number 3. But yeah, can you do me a small favor? If your friends are there and uh, writing any of these exams, so I am one to one. I am giving and coaching for quantity, aptitude, and logical reasoning. So it's a very simple amount I charge, that is 2000 rupees per month. Okay, so those who are interested, you can ask them to contact me on this number. Moving forward to the next question. Okay, let's move on to the next question. That question number 3, and you can see that question 3 is there on the board. Okay, let's read the question. The Prakash lent a certain sum to his friends and charged a simple interest of 15% per annum for 10 years. You understand the impact of these two wording. 15% per annum for 10 years, and it's a simple interest. After 10 years, he invests the simple interest earned on compound interest. He is investing simple interest, not the whole money. Whatever the interest he earned, invested in a compound interest at the rate of 10% per annum. For how many years? 2 years. If the compound interest received at the end of the 2 year is 6,300, then find the sum the Prakash lent to his friend. Prakash lent to his friend. Your time starts now, my friends. Come on. Who will answer the question? Nilambad, I am very happy to see you on the board. And some more friends are there. Come on, answer the question. Answer it, answer it. After 60 seconds, I will also start answering the question. Come on, Nilambat. But coolly do it, coolly do it. Where is Anusha? Wow, 60 seconds is going to be over. Option C, Nilambat Sahu. Let me check. No, my brother, no. Okay, so let's check that. So, simple interest 15% per annum for how many years? For 10 years. So, whatever the principal is there, on that he will be getting 15 into 10, that is 150%. So, 150 by 100. So, this is what the interest, is this the interest? Yes. So, 150% of the principal is the interest, not the amount. Okay. Now, what he did, this interest, he invested at 10% per annum compounded annually for 2 years. And we know 10% per annum for 1 year, for 2 years, 21%. So, he will be getting 21% of this interest because he has invested the interest. Okay. Now, that gives us 6,300 figure. Oh, Nilambat says option A. Let me check. Option A. Yes, that's right. That's right, Nilambat. Okay. Now, let me cancel this one. So simply, it gets cancelled. This is 300 times. It gets cancelled 3 times. And further, this is with 53 times, 2 times. And I notice that how much do I get this one? That is 100 gets cancelled, and 300 is 100. How many times? How did I do this? Okay. I just made a small error in cancellation. So this is 300. With 21, this is 300. Okay, and this has to be multiplied. I'm sorry, this has to be multiplied. So this is 3 times, this is 2 times. With 3, this is 150 into 2 is 300 followed by 100. That is nothing but 3. With 3, this is 100. 100. And 100 into 200, that's nothing but 20,000. That's well done. Well done. So your option is A. 20,000. Aman? Okay. Next question here. Let's, all of us will read the question first. Jaikar bought 2 mobile phones, A and B. The total cost price of the 2 phones is 12,000. CP1 plus CP2 12,000. He sold A at a profit of 24% and B at a loss of 12%. Okay. If the whole deal he makes neither profit nor loss, at what price should he sell B to make a profit of 15%? Your time starts now. Do it, my young friends, upcoming bank officers. After 60 seconds, I will also start working on it. Nilambad, well done. Previous question. Till now. Yes, 7 more seconds. Come on, my dynamic friends. Oh, wow. Time is over. And Anusha says B. Oh my God. Let's check that. It's right. That's right. That's right. Option B. Okay. So the message is retracted. Okay. It's option B. It's clear now. So he bought 2 mobile phone A and B. So A is sold at a profit of 24% and the B is sold at a loss of 12%, and the end there is neither profit nor loss. That means whatever profit he got on A, he lost the same amount on B. So I can call this as 24% of A is equal to, that's a 12% of B. And remember, with this, it's over. Aman. The moment you understood this part, that whatever he made a loss in A, he lost in B. Whatever he earned in A, he lost in B. Then only finally there is no profit, no loss. So 24% of A is equal to 12% of B. So from here onwards, we are getting a ratio of A and B, which is 1/2. So it is said that now B, if the B is sold at 25% profit, so the total out of total, what is the cost price of B? So that is 12,000 into B is 2 parts. So 2 by the total 3 parts are there. So 3, 4, 2, 8,000. Now you want to make a profit of 25%, 1/4. So I know that 1/4 is nothing but 2,000 profit. When you add up, you get the 10,000 should be your selling price. So do we have anywhere 10,000? We 10,040. What are we getting? That is 25%. Now 1/2. I think the option is not there. Option B. What Aman? Where did I miss here? 12%. 24% of B is 12%. 24% of A is equal to 12% of B. So A by B is 1/3. So 12,000 is there. So 2/3. So this 4, 2 is 8. And 25% 8 half 10,000 should be the answer. What do you say, my friends? I am getting the answer 10,000. Can you respond, please? Okay. I made a mistake. Here overall profit is 25%. Overall profit should be 25%. Okay. I got it. So how do I get the overall profit 25%? I was only taking the B profit 25%. So what should be the selling price of B so that the overall there will be a profit of 25%. So look at this one of 12,000. We have seen that this is 8,000 and this is 4,000. Okay. You people have done well. Now here overall profit will be what is that? 25%. That means 1/4 of 12,000, which is 3,000. So the total profit I am looking for 3,000. And in A there is 24% profit. So take 24%. 24 into 4 is 96. 960. And I require the profit from B is that's 0 and 4 carry 9, 10 carry 1 and 2. So this should be the profit from B. So 2040 is what percentage of 8,000? These 2 zeros gets cancelled. Here it gets cancelled, and with the 4 with the 8 2 is 16 and 8 5 is 40 and 8 5 is 40. So this is what. Okay, why are you looking for this? I am again working on the profit percentage. So simply selling price, which is 8,000 plus 2,040, that should be 10,040. Okay. Well done. Option 2. Next, moving to the next question, which is here. Come on, my friends. Now, the area of the rectangular field is 16 square centimeter less than the area of the square field. Okay, and then it next says that the ratio of the length of rectangular field to the side of the square is 6:5, and the ratio of length and breadth of rectangular field is 3:2. Find the sum of the perimeter of rectangle field and the square field. A beautiful question. A little bit of logic to understand. Now what is your time starts now. What is given over here? Area of the rectangular field is this much less than the area of the square field. So area of the square field is A square. A square minus the area of the rectangular field, that is L into B, is given to us as 16. It is also said that the ratio of the length of rectangle and side of square. So length of rectangle is to side of square is 6:5, and the ratio of the length and breadth is 3:2. Length and breadth is if this is 3, this is 2. Okay, anyone answer the question? Now what happens if you combine the ratio? Then you will be getting this as 6:5:4. Now you are asked to find out the perimeter. So I will consider this as 6x, 5x and 4x. Anyone answer the question? H, Nilambad and option C. Let's check that option C is correct or not. Wow. Well done. Nilambad is the first person to answer the question for this. I am very happy, my friend. So up to this, I hope you are understanding it. I only copied the question. Now, this is what the vital role going to play now. What is given to us? This is a square. What is A? And A is nothing but 5x. So 25x square is equal to L into B. What is L and B? This is what L and B. That is 6 4 24x square. That is 24x square minus 24x square is equal to 16. So you see that x square is equal to 16. So x is equal to 4. Done. And once I get the x is equal to 4, so nicely you people have done it. You are asked find the sum of the perimeter. So I know these values now. So that is 5x, 6x is 24, 5x is 20, 20 and 4x is 16. So what is the perimeter of the square? 4a, that is 100. And what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 times of L plus B. So L plus B, I notice that 40. So this become 80 into 100. That's 180. My option choice, uh, this is 80. And 5. Okay. This is x is equal to 5 and 4a. 4a. Perimeter is 4a. And that 4a is nothing but a is 20, so this is 80. This is 80. So 80 plus 80, this is 160. This is your answer. Yes, Anusha, that's right. I hope everyone understood this. Good question, sir. The next one. Please let your friends know. Okay. Next. What is this question? Question number 6. Amit, Bhanu and Varun started the business with their investment in the ratio of 5:4:6. And the ratio of the number of months for which they invested is 4:5:x. If the ratio of their profit share at the end of the year is 5:5:9, then what will be the uh, number of months which Varun invested in the business? Varun, the last person. So your time starts now. Do it, my friend. After 60 seconds, I will also start working on it. By the time, if any one of you can answer the question, I will be very happy. Wow, Nilambar says option 1. Check this one. No, my brother. No. Okay. No. So, let's see that. This is A, B and B. Their profit and loss ratio is given to us. Capital ratio is also given to us, and we have the time ratio, and we know the time ratio, that is 5:4:6. Option D. Aman says option D. Check that. 4. Why I am getting? We are not getting the same. Probably I made any mistake. Okay. So this is what the capital ratio is. 4:5:x. So we know that this is 5 into 4 is 20 is the profit and loss ratio. Now here 5:4 is 20 and this is 6x. So if you know that this is 5 and this is 9, that means what is it is divided by. So it is divided by this is 5 and this is 9. That's the profit and loss ratio. That means you have divided this by 4. This should also be divided by 4. I will get 9. That means 6x divided by 4. I will be getting 9. Then I notice that this is 9, 4 is 36. X is equal to 6. For how many months he was in the business? So what will be the number of months for which the Varun was in the business? 4,936. So it's a 6. How do I? investment. Okay, so when this is 6, 36 divided by 4. So he was in the business. Option C. No, sir. No, no, no. I am getting this as Anusha says option C, 8 months. Now, did I made any mistake over here? 5, 4 and 6, 4, 5 and x. So that is 20 and here it is 20 and 6x. So if it is the profit and loss ratio, that means that is 20 divided by 4. So 6x divided by 4, I will be getting 9. Then 6x divided by 4, if it is 9, then what it is? 9 4 is 36, so x is equal to 6. What do you say? Nilambar? Anyone? Aman? It should be 6. Any comment, please? I'm just waiting for your comment. Okay. Wait. So this is x, and this x is equal to 6. 4 is to 5 is to 6. This is what the time ratio, and the business was there for how many months? Then what will be the number of months for which Varun was there in the business? And the whole business for how many years? So I am getting as 6. Then this is 9. How is it? Okay. As a small confusion over here, because the total number of months is not known to us here. Okay, I'll try to skip this question. Now, option 5 it shows. Leave it. Now, question number 7. The present age of A and B are in the ratio of 3:4. The ratio of B's age 4 years ago to A's age 6 years hence is 2:3. Find the D's age, which is 4 years more than the present age of A. I just wanted to check if your time starts now. If you can, how much time you take to answer the question. This question is very easy. Come on. Nilambat will be the first person to answer it. Or Aman. There is a tough competition between Nilambat and Aman. Oh, Nilambat says option 1. No. No, Nilambat. Anusha is also saying option A. How is it? Option A. No. Time is over. So allow me to answer the question. Look at this. That's A and B. There are two ways I can answer the question. I can consider this as A by B. Look at this. But we will not follow this for the examination. A by B. That's 3x. It says that for the ratio of B's age 4 years ago. That is B's age is 4x. 4 years ago minus 4 to that of A's age 6 years hence. So plus 6 is equal to 2 by 3. You solve this equation, you will get the A and B. But the alternate way we do is, this is A and B is there, and the A and B age ratio is 2:3. We will follow the second method. That is 3:4. And it says that the ratio of B's age 4 years ago, B's age minus 4 here, and A's age 6 years hence. So A's age 6 years hence is become 2:3. So what we will do here, this is B is 2. Here also we made the same mistake. The B is 2, the A is 3. Here the ratio got reversed. So let take the reverse ratio over here. This is B is 2 parts. Look at this one. The B is 2 parts, whereas the A is 3 parts. So with 3 multiply this one. So that's 3 into 4 is 12, and 3 4 is 12. Now with 2, so 2 3 is 6, and 2 6 is 12. Take the difference between these numbers, that is 6 and 12, that is 6 part, and then 12 and minus 12. Is it 24? Because here it is plus 12, here it is minus 12. So 6 part is 24, then 1 part will be 4. So this is a very important outcome for me. 1 part is 4. So I need that. Find B's age, which is 4 years more than 3 times the present age of A. So what is the number of parts for A? The number of parts for A is 3. So 3 into 4 is 12. 3 times of 12 is 36. And how many years more? 4 years more. So 36 plus 4. I am Aman and Nilambar. I am getting 40 years, sir. So that is option choice 5. That's it. This one. Just because of the change of this ratio B to A, you got confused? I think option D. Okay, not an issue, my friends. Not an issue. The next question, get ready for this. Here. Now, the side of the cube is 8 centimeter and the radius of the sphere is 12.5% less than the side of the cube. It's okay. It's a very simple part. The volume of the cube is what percentage of the volume of the sphere? Your time starts now. Answer it, my friends. Come on. I'm sure all of you, sir, can we solve this question without X? Method in the question without X. I'm just holding it down and I'll go back over here. We did it, no? Now look at the whole way I am solving it again. So without X, this is A and this is B. This ratio is 3:4. And it says that B's age 4 years ago. So this is B's age 4 years ago minus 4 years. And A's age 6 years hence. This is A's age plus 6 years. And the ratio is the B's age is become 2 parts and A's age is become 3 parts. So now what I am going to do is I multiply with this 3 and 4, which is 12, and 3 and 4, which is 12 years, this one, and here that is 2 into 3, that is 6, and 2 into 6, that is 12. So now what I have to do is this is 6 parts, this is 12 parts, the difference is 6 parts, this is 12, and the minus of minus 12, that's 24. So 6 part is 24, 1 part will be 4. So the A age is 3 parts, 3 into 4 is 12. And it is said that the D's age, which is 4 years more than 3 times of the present age of A. So what is 3 times of the present age of A? 36. How many years more? 4 years more. So add 4. So I am getting 40 years. So we are not taking X here. Aman, is that okay, my brother? Okay, so we are going to the questions where we were. Now we are here. We are here. So once again I read out the question. The side of the cube is 8 centimeter. You don't need to write down the draw the cube. Just only for the convenience I am saying that this side is 8 centimeter, and the sphere radius, this sphere radius is 12.5% less. I know 12.5% is 1 by 8. So 1 minus 1 by 8 is nothing but 7 by 8 of this 8. So 7 by 8 of 8 is nothing but 7. So this is 7 centimeter. So we have both the values given here, radius. Now the volume of the cube is what percentage of the volume of sphere? So the volume of this cube is what percentage of the volume of a sphere? Your time starts now. Come on friends, come on. Now you must be knowing, if you don't know someone, the formula. The volume over here is cube is a cube is the volume. Here the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Is this formula? Nilambar Sahu, option B. Wow, well done, well done. Option B, that's great. Now I will answer the question. So what is the volume of a cube? The volume of cube is that's 8 into 8 into 8. Keep it in loose, and it is 4 by 3. I will take the 3 over here into 22 by 7. I will take the 7 over here and into r cube. So how many 7s are there? 1, 2 and 1 7 is denominator. I can write it as 49. So this is nothing to teach you people. You are so mature. Now coming to the cancellation of with 4. This is 2 times, with 2 this is 11 times. So further cancellation is not possible. So 8 is 64, and 64 into 3, and that it comes 3 4 12, carry 1, this is 18 and 1 19 is what percentage of what is that? That is 9, and 13 carry 1, and 4 and 1 5. So when I notice that, is it 19 3 is 57, 19 3. Are we getting 19 here? Okay. So 19 3 57. Could it be how many times with 50? 30 plus, 30% plus, because 30% is 150. So 30% plus, how many options are there? Only one option is there. That's your answer. Take the use of, make the advantage of the options. Had the option would have been very, very closer. With 35, in a 30 to 40 range, there is only one option. I would have been, or more than one option, I would have been checked it. Okay, fine my friends. Well done, Nilambar. Congratulations sir. I am looking forward to see you in the bank. Next one. So please remind your friends, right? Okay, coming over here. Question number 9. The length of the two trains A and B are in the ratio of 2:3. The time taken by both the trains to cross each other is 12 seconds. If the train A crosses the pole in 8 seconds, traveling with a speed of 108 km per hour, what is the speed of B? Your time starts now. Come on. Beautifully answering the question. Beautifully answering the question, Anusha, you also. And Pavani. Pavani, look at the people watching. Thank you for joining, Pavani. And you must have a little bit idea about the train. So please try to answer the question. Train A, train B length is given to us. The length of A to length of B are in the ratio of 2:3 is given. And they cross each other. That means opposite direction. It takes 12 seconds for them to cross each other. And A can cross a pole in how many seconds? 10 seconds with a speed of 18 km per hour. This were the questions we have. And now you are asked to find out the speed of train B. Speed of B. Anyone answer the question? Nilambat says option E. Let me check that Nilambat is correct or not. Is Nilambat correct? Option, what is that? Option E. Let me check option E, 5. Oh, no sir. Aman, how you can, either I put the wrong answer, because Pavani, the Aman and Nilambat, these are the two best competitors that India ever had. Believe me, on my word. So here I know the length. I am getting the train A can cross. Train A can cross the pole in 10 seconds with a speed of 108 km per hour. So 108 km per hour is nothing but 30 meter per second. This is 30 meter per second. So what is the length of the train? Length of the train is the speed into time while crossing a pole. So the length of train A is that is 10 into 30, which is 300. And when A is 300, then what will be the length of train B? The length of train B, that is 150 into 3, 450. So is that clear? 450? Yes. So it is 450. Length of train B, 400, 2:3. And when the two part, then 3 part, 450. Okay, somewhere things is not on the desired direction. What is length of train A? Length of train A is, it crossed 8 seconds. Why did I write 10 seconds? I'm sorry, it is 8 seconds. 8 3 is 24. 8 into 30, which is 240. If 2 part is 240, then what is the length of train B? The length of train B is 360. What is the total length? The total length is 600. And how much time it takes to cross each other? 12 seconds. So that is 600 divided by 12 seconds. I will get the speed of A plus B. Both relative speed. And that is nothing but 50. What is the speed of, I am changing the color of pen. What is the speed of B? The speed of B is 30 meter per second. So this is meter per second. So what is the speed of A? The speed of A is 50 minus 30, that is 20 meter per second. But everything is given in kilometer per hour. So that's 20 into 18 by 5, and you get 4, and 18 4 is 72 kilometer per hour. Option A. Nilambar, option A. That's right. That's right. Option A. You are right, Lisa. Shall I explain this again? Or not? You can see the video, right? Recorded video will be there. Aman? Okay. Pavani madam? Is that okay? Can I move on? Okay. Next question, the 10th and the last question. So what is the question here? Here the income of P and Q are in the ratio of 8:7, and their savings are in the ratio of 3:1. If the expenditure of P and Q are in the ratio of 21,000 and 20,000 respectively, then find the difference between the income of P and Q. You know, it's a very standard format of the question. But the matter is how much time you take. Your time starts now. Yes, Pavani, can you please respond, ma'am? When first answer come, I will start working. We'll learn a lot if you make a friendship with Aman, Nilambad. These two are magical person. Option B. Nilambad says option B. Wow, Nilambad, you are right. You are right, my friend. Option B. Okay. And now I will answer the question. That is, income of P and Q is 8:7. And if I take out their expenditure minus 21,000 and here minus 20,000, there it left saving which is 3:1. Aman, please see that I am answering this question without taking X. Now, so with 3 multiply this 7, 7 3 is 21, and with 3 multiply this one, and you will be getting this how much? This one as 3 7 is 21. Okay, that's right. 3 7 21, and this is 60. And please remember that this minus. And with 1 you multiply 8, it will remain as 8, and multiply 21, it will remain as 21. So what you can do is now take the difference. So take the difference between this 8 and 21, and the difference is 13 parts, and take the difference between minus 21 and minus 30. You will be getting minus 60. The difference will be 39. So when 13 part is 39, then 1 part is 3 over. Now find the difference between the annual income. What is the difference between these two? 1 part, and 1 part is 3. So 3, all the figures are taken as 1,000 here. 21,000, 20,000. So this 3 is 3,000. But they ask the difference between annual income. So multiply this by 12 to make it annual income. So that's 36,000 is the difference between these two. Option B. Well done, Nilambad. Well done, sir. Okay. So now let's see the next one. 5 questions on number series, and after that we will conclude this. Okay. Here. Your time starts now. Answer this question. Who answers is first? You can see that it's increased, 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 increased. Apply the basic logic based on difference. With these 5 questions on number series, we will conclude. Again, we will come with another 10 questions. Option B. Okay, let me check. Wow. Who answered it? Anusha, Aman. Hardly you took the 30 second or so, Aman. So I will also answer the question. I will take the difference, that's 2. 2 plus 9 is 11, carry 1, 4 and 1, 19. From here this is 8 and this is 3. And from here this is 9 plus 7, 16, carry 1, and 8 and 1, 9 and 5. And from here I notice that 6 plus 6 is 12, carry 1, 4, 5, and 5 plus 7 is 12, carry 1. That's over. So I need this, I need this. So I noticed that here it is 19 into 1, 19 into 2, 19 into 3 and 19, 4. So I need this 19, 5. And 19, 5 is 95. Add this is 7 and this 41. This should be the answer, 417. So 417, your option choice 2. Beautifully answered. Now only 5 questions. So this is second question on the board. Your time starts now. Come on. Who will answer this question first? Multiple of 9. Yeah, multiple of 9 can also be taken, Aman. Come on. Pavani, can you please answer it? It's a competition. Ruthless competition. Multiplication. The way it's moving, it's very clear that it's multiplication. Who will answer first? Option C, Anusha. She's no. No. Pavani, option D, Delhi. Wow. That's great, Pavani. That's great. Option D, Delhi. That's your answer. That's your answer. That's right. So I noticed that there's a multiplication. Very clear, it's a multiplication. So if I multiply this by 2, what happens? It is 1. So if I add the same 2 over here, so 2 plus 1, it is 3. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. When I come over here, it could be into 3, into 4 or into 5. So come to into 5. 5 to 10 carry 1 and 25 and 1, 26. And if I add the same 5 over here, I am getting this number. So here it should be into 3. So 3 into 3 is 9 plus 3, which should be 12, option D. Yes, Aman. Yes, that's right. Now, question number 3. Your time starts now. Upcoming bankers. Look at the way it's increasing. Take the difference. Your answer is ready. Who will answer first? Will again Pavani? Or Aman or Nilambat? I'm very happy. On online, I have a lot of good friends. Please also see that some of your friends join in my course. Paid course. Oh, Nilambat, option B. Let's check. No, my brother. No. What's wrong? What's wrong with my friends? Option E, Nilambat Sahu. No, my brother, no. We will check this one. No, I don't know the difference from here to here. Option D, Anusha. So let me check that. No. Okay, that is 6 plus 8 is 14, carry 1, and 2 and 1, 3, and 3 plus 4. It is 48. Minus 40. Is it minus? Plus. It's plus. Again here it is plus. 4 plus 3 is 7, and that is 3. So here it is plus. Here 48, 33. It's okay. And here it is plus how much? 20. And from here it is plus 7, and 1 is 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry 1. 3 and 1. 4. It's okay. And from here to here it's a 0. No. What is happening? The difference is 9. So if I come to the difference, it is 11. If I come to the difference, it is 13. If I come to the difference over here, it is 15. Is it 15? Yes. So look at the way the numbers are decreasing is nothing but uh, um, how is these numbers? Is it 9? And how can take this 9 and 11? The difference is 2. The difference is 2. All are the consecutive odd number. So then take the consecutive odd number. So that is 9, 11, 13, 15. I will go for 17. So if I go for 17, 48 plus 17, 48, 58 and 58 and 65. So now add up 65 to should I subtract this or add? It is in an increasing order. So I need to subtract. So this is 1 and this is 6. 61 should be my answer, option C. Let's check that option C is correct. That's right. Oh wow, Aman did it. That's great. That's great. That's great. Now fourth question next. Here, and your time starts now. And it's a very simple question, Aman. Nilambad, Anusha, Pavani. It's a very simple question. It's a no difference. As everywhere it is increasing. In no time you can answer the question. Come on. Who is going to first respond? Option A, Aman, the hero of the batch. Wow, wow. Well done, well done. Option 1. How do we do it? From here to here, I see that 0 is the difference, 3 is the difference, and here 7 is the difference. Is it 7? 8. 8 is the difference, and here that's 15 is the difference. I don't know. So here 1 square minus 1 I notice here. And the same way this I notice 2 square minus 1. Notice here 3 square minus 1. Here 4 square minus 1. Here it should be 5 square 25 minus 1, that's 24. So as am I adding the number? Yeah, that's right. So 8 plus 4 is 12, carry 1, 7 and 1, 8. This is the answer, option A. Well done, Nilambat. Well done, Nilambat. Pavani, is that correct? Okay, and the last question of the class. With this we will conclude the class. Here, your time starts now. Who answers? Who are the first 3 person who answers it? Come on. Please, all the arithmetic question which we have discussed, once again go for the revision of those questions. Please like it, and you already subscribed it, right? Okay. I request everyone to please like the video and share with your friends. Option E. No. Aman, is option E is for this question? For this question? Is this for this question, Aman? Oh, Nilambat's house says C, 3. No. Okay, so those who have said E for this question, let's check that. That's right. That's right. Option E. Look at this, what is happening from here to here. There's a 7.1 is the difference. And here to here. Let's consider this as 801 and 874. It will be easy if you are visualizing in this way. So 73. And from here to here, so make this number. You will find that this is 4 and 6, 10 carry 1, 7, 1, 8. 8 plus 7 is 15, carry 1. and 8 and 1 9. So this is the number here. So what should be the next number? So when I notice that from here to here it is 2, 0.2 is the difference, 0.3 is the difference. So I will try with 0.4 and check any number is there with this difference or not. So here it is 8, 95 plus 8 is 102, 103. Do we have any option with 103? Yes, option B. Well done. Thank you very much. I enjoyed really the Dasara was special for me because all you people were on the board. Please like it, a humble request to all, and share with your friends. Okay, so I'll definitely be meeting again. I'll see if tomorrow I can conduct a class. Then once again I'll come tomorrow evening with at least 10 good questions of arithmetic and 5 questions either of quadratic equation. 7 o'clock tomorrow. So either of quadratic equation or of number series. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care. All the best.